Hello, customers. Nice day we're having, huh?
Did he just say?
Aye, he did.
Hey, Patrick, how the are ya?
Pretty good, SpongeBob.
Well, I thought this was a restaurant, not a gutter mouth convention.
Attention, customers. Today's special is a Krabby Patty served in a greasy sauce and grilled to perfection. And don't forget to ask us to the fries. It'll be our pleasure. Hi, Squidward. How the are ya?
Nice day, isn't it, Squidward?
I don't understand. That guy's talented. He doesn't have to work blue.
Let's go somewhere more family-oriented.
Good foul-mouthed bottom feeders. Huh? The Krusty Krab! She's empty! All hands on deck!
Showtime.
Batten the front doors! Brace the cash register!
Hello.
Bring out the happy snacks! Squidward! Where have all me beautiful paying customers gone?
Apparently, the two barnacle mouth brothers just learned a new word. And SpongeBob just said it over the intercom.
Well, what was it? What did he say?
He said, said...
Huh? SpongeBob and friend, front and center!